होता है। जैसे किसका लड़का था वो छोटा वाला, टेंपल में भी बहुत अच्छा भजन करता था। तो वैसे होता ही है, चिल्ड्रन आर हैप्पी, फीलिंग प्राउड, तो उसको होने दे। मतलब दे आर हैप्पी, दे आर हैप्पी, दे आर डूइंग सर्विस, वी आर हैप्पी, वी आर ऑल्सो प्राउड टू सी कि ये बच्चे अच्छा कर रहा है, सही पाथ में है, तो वी ऑल्सो फील नाइस। लेकिन रोल मॉडल होना चाहिए। आप पहले अपने आप को कंट्रोल करना सीखो, फिर यू कैन कंट्रोल अदर्स। वैसे तुम उलट जाएंगे, मतलब तुमको जैसा चाहिए अच्छा करना वो करते हैं इन फ्रंट ऑफ द चिल्ड्रन, और झगड़ते भी है। तो रोल मॉडल में एक मोर इम्पोर्टेंट चीज है कि माँ का इंस्ट्रक्शन और बाप का इंस्ट्रक्शन पहले बच्चों के पीछे डिस्कस करना है, बच्चों के सामने नहीं डिस्कस करना है। और उसको कंफ्यूज भी नहीं करना है, क्योंकि कभी कभी माँ ए बोलती है, बाप बी बोलते हैं। और जब माँ चाहती है कि नो मीन्स नो, जैसे इस माता ने कहा, तो बाप आ जाता है और फिर पिटी और लव चिल्ड्रन के लिए, तो वो मतलब वो उल्टा बोलता है ना, क्योंकि डिस्कशन नहीं होती है, अग्रीमेंट नहीं होता है, कमिटमेंट नहीं होता है, इसीलिए ये सब होता है। तो यू शुड अवॉइड दिस इन द बिगिनिंग, इन द फर्स्ट स्टेप। जब टाइम मिले तो आपको पहले से ही करना है। लाइक नाइट टाइम इफ यू आर प्राइवेटली विथ योर हस्बैंड, तो ये डिस्कस करना चाहिए कि हमारे बच्चे ने, और माँ का काम है, यदि वो काम नहीं करती है ऑफिस में, तो वो देखती है बच्चा क्या कर रहा है जो गलत है, वो बाप को बताना माँ की ड्यूटी है। ऐसा नहीं कि आप समझो कि मैं माँ हूं, मैं घर पे हूं, तो आई कैन हैंडल इट माई सेल्फ। लेकिन जब बाप को नहीं पता, तो फिर वो अलग करेगा ना, रिएक्शन अलग होगा। यदि वो देखेगा कि दूसरे दिन में बच्चा ने ये सेम एटीट्यूड किया, माँ को नहीं पसंद है, लेकिन बाप बोलता है ठीक है ना, करने दो, बच्चा है। ये चीज हमेशा होता है, ये स्लोगन बच्चा है, करने दो, रहने दो, ये ठीक नहीं है। रॉन्ग इज रॉन्ग, राइट इज राइट। तुम अडल्ट हो, तुम पेरेंट हो, तुमको मालूम होता है ना, तो जब भी रॉन्ग है तो रॉन्ग ही है। ये प्यार के कारण, मोह ममत के कारण तुम ये करते हो ना, वो गलत है। तो एक एग्जाम्पल श्रीला प्रभुपाद की लीला अमृता से मैं बोलती हूँ, आवर श्रीला प्रभुपाद और हिज फादर का एग्जाम्पल। तो जब ये अभय को माँ बोलती थी कि तुम लॉयर बनो, इंग्लैंड जाओ और वहाँ कॉलेज ले लो, तो उसका फादर का नाम था मोहन, नो? तो मोहन ने बोला नहीं, मैं उसका फी और पैसा और कमाई भी उससे नहीं मानता हूँ, क्योंकि विलायत जाएगा तो वो पीना शुरू करेगा, मीट खाना शुरू करेगा, और वुमन हंटर बन जाएगा। वो गोरी गोरी लड़कियों के पीछे भागेगा, उसका पैसा हमको नहीं चाहिए। तो उसने बोला नहीं। तो मोहन का काम था, एक्चुअली उसको दुकान था टेक्सटाइल का। तो वो ऐसा करता था कि शाम को जब दुकान बंद करता था, एक कटोरा वो राइस का छोड़ देता है दुकान के सामने, क्योंकि रैट्स जब भूखा रहेगा ना तो कपड़ों का काटेगा ना। तो उसने सोचा मैं रखता हूँ उसका लिए खाना, तो उसको हंगर भी नहीं होगा और हमारा कपड़ा भी बच जाएगा। इतना मतलब केयरफुल था उसका फादर। और जाता था शाम को हमेशा प्रभुपाद के पास बैठता था, उसको सिखाता। फादर्स ड्यूटी इज टुवर्ड्स द सन एक्चुअली, मदर्स ड्यूटी इज मोर टुवर्ड्स द डॉटर, क्योंकि डॉटर जब बड़ी हो जाती है तो वो सीक्रेट भी शेयर कर सकती है मदर के साथ, और सिमिलरली बच्चा सन भी, बेटा भी। तो इसके कारण एक और एग्जाम्पल था, एक पुजारी था और प्रभुपाद ने बोला कि तुम्हारा काम है कि तुम बेटे के साथ एटलीस्ट 4 साल तक तुमको उसकी ड्यूटी करना पड़ता है। तुमको टाइम नहीं है तो पुजारी मत बनो, क्योंकि प्रायोरिटी इज तुम अपने बेटे को सिखाओ 4 साल तक, सिंस बर्थ अप टू 4 years। ड्यूटी ऑफ फादर इज टू एडुकेट द सन। शुरू से जैसे आपने बोला ना, फाउंडेशन इज इंपॉर्टेंट। Like you build a house, foundation is important. You build a wrong foundation, the house will fall. Similarly, characters भी ऐसा है। तो ये 2 एग्जाम्पल जो प्रभुपाद की लीलामृता से था वो बहुत अच्छा है, वी शुड फॉलो, क्योंकि प्रभुपाद की शिक्षा जो है वो शास्त्रों से है। शास्त्र कभी स्टेल नहीं होता। प्रेडिक्शन इज फॉर एवर, फॉर द फ्यूचर। जो कलयुग में होगा ना वो भी है ना, भागवत गीता में, भागवतम में है। तो कैसे बोल सकते हैं कि दिस इज ओल्ड एजुकेशन एंड वी आर इन द मॉडर्न एज? ये हमने बनाया है, ये टर्म जो है ना अभी मॉडर्न है, एज है। कभी कभी प्रभुपाद बहुत बहुत बोलता था कि दिस इज नॉट सिविलाइजेशन, दिस इज नॉट मॉडर्निज्म, इट इज नॉट मॉडर्नाइजेशन। क्योंकि हम गिर गए हैं, इतना गिर गए हैं, तो अपने आप को कैसे प्राउडली बोलते हैं कि हम मॉडर्न एज में लिविंग है और हम सिविलाइज्ड है। जब हम मतलब कई माताओं ने अबॉर्शन किया, ये किया वो किया, तो प्रभुपाद वाज वेरी वेरी शॉक्ड कि क्या कलयुग आया है जब माँ अपनी बच्चों को मतलब मौत देती है। तो दिस इज नॉट कॉल्ड सिविलाइजेशन। तो कैसे हम बोल सकते हैं कि मॉडर्न एज इज बेटर देन ओल्ड एज और स्टोन एज? स्टोन एज में तो इतना सिंपल था कि वो केव में रहता था, तभी भी कुछ था। वी हैव सीन द स्टोन एज मूवीज, ओल्ड एज मूवीज की वो टॉयज भी कहीं चीजों से, टूल से बनाते हैं और चिल्ड्रन वर हैप्पी। There were so many games, if you remember, without these gadgets. So many the games they used to play. Physically they used to be happy and healthy. ये गेम्स तो अभी कौन खेलता है? कोई नहीं, कोई नहीं खेलता है अभी। स्कूल में भी नहीं सिखा जाता है। Why? Because they were healthy games. अभी बच्चों जो दोनों यहाँ होती है कि नहीं सिस्टम, जो हम गाते हैं ये सॉन्ग, इंडिपेंडेंट सॉन्ग, जनगण मन, हर सुबह गाते हैं स्कूल्स में। हाँ, बंद हो गया ना। कोविड हैज स्पॉइल्ड एवरीथिंग। तो वो सन में सुबह सुबह भी नहीं शांत में रह सकता, वो हमेशा हिलता है, और कोई कोई तो अनकॉन्शियस फॉल हो जाता है सनशाइन के लिए। सनशाइन के कारण वो भागते हैं कि आई कैन नॉट टॉलरेट। ये ठीक नहीं है, एक्चुअली अच्छा नहीं है। यू शुड गो आउट इनटू द सन। अभी वो पिल्स लेते हैं ना विटामिन डी का, तो ये ठीक है। एक्चुअली इट इज नॉट राइट, it is not right. So many things have been abolished by schools also. Teachers are also not good nowadays. वो अपने बस सैलरी के लिए आते हैं, सिखाते हैं और घर जाते हैं। तुम समझो ना समझो तुम्हारी मर्जी, तुम हमको और पैसा दो तो हम ट्यूशन करके आएंगे तुम्हारे घर। दिस इज ऑल्सो रॉन्ग, ऑल्सो रॉन्ग। चिल्ड्रन को बताना एक्चुअली कि कीप योर आईज एंड ईयर्स ओपन इन द क्लास, कुछ और मत सोचो। तो ये हैबिट एक्चुअली फोकसिंग का हैबिट, आई एम टेलिंग यू माय ओन एक्सपीरियंस. I worked in the office with 100% focus because I was doing japa. Japa is doing so much benefit. चाहे तुम कोई भी काम करो ना, यदि तुम जापा करते हो तो तुम्हारा फोकस और माइंड बहुत अच्छी तरह से फोकस करता है. कंसंट्रेशन इज देयर, नो अदर थिंकिंग. वो डाइवर्ट भी नहीं हो सकता. आई एम नॉट प्राउड टू से आई एम फर्स्ट थी क्लास में हमेशा. आई वाज द बेस्ट. हमको ट्यूशन नहीं चाहिए था और इकोनॉमिकली मैं मिडिल क्लास से थी. हमारा सिबलिंग सब टोटल 6 थे. तो डिफिकल्ट ना टू मेंटेन 5 चिल्ड्रन, गो टू स्कूल, दिस दैट. हमको कोई ट्यूशन नहीं मिला. कम बैक फ्रॉम स्कूल, ड्यूटी रख दो. बच्चों को जो सिखा था आज वो रिपीट करना है. एक्चुअली रिपीट करना है. माँ उसके साथ बैठना चाहिए, पूछना चाहिए तुम क्या समझ, आज एजुकेशन क्या मिला. उसे क्वेश्चन करना चाहिए. वो चैप्टर डिस्कस, रिवाइज, क्वेश्चंस पूछना चाहिए. योर इन्वॉल्वमेंट इज इम्पोर्टेंट. इट विल मेक देम इंस्पायर्ड टू लर्न. तो ये नहीं, टाइम, क्वालिटी टाइम इज इम्पोर्टेंट, नॉट क्वांटिटी टाइम. और सब प्लानिंग, एक दिन में क्या क्या करना है, स्टूडेंट लिखना चाहिए कि हमको ये करना है, कितना टाइम लगेगा. वो थक जाता है एक्चुअली. नैपिंग एंड रेस्टिंग इज ऑल्सो इम्पोर्टेंट. दे दो उसको, नो प्रॉब्लम, बट नो हैंडफोन, नो हैंडफोन. तो दिस इज वेरी डिसिप्लिनरी वे टू टीच देम हाउ टू कंट्रोल योरसेल्फ एंड द चिल्ड्रन. Now, I want to ask you one question. Spiritual or material development? Actually, both hand in hand में चलना चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं कि हम जी तो मटेरियल एनवायरनमेंट में है, घर, स्कूल, फ्रेंड्स, ये सब मटेरियल ही है. तो लेकिन उसके साथ स्पिरिचुअल भी होना चाहिए. प्रभुपाद बोलते थे कि when both are done parallelly at the same time, then only you will be knowing कि मैं स्पिरिचुअल में ज़्यादा प्रोग्रेस हो रहा है कि मटेरियल में ज़्यादा प्रोग्रेस हो रहा है. क्या मटेरियल है और क्या स्पिरिचुअल है, और व्हाट इज राइट एंड व्हाट इज रॉन्ग, दैट नॉलेज यू शुड गेट फ्रॉम स्पिरिचुअल डेवलपमेंट. कि जो सिखाते हैं स्पिरिचुअलिज्म में, वो क्या नहीं मटेरियल वे में करना है, दैट यू कैन ओनली नो व्हेन यू डू हैंड इन हैंड. वो ऐसा नहीं बोलता है कि सब आके टेंपल में रहो, ये भी नहीं बोलता है एक्चुअली. सो व्हेन आई वाज इनिशिएटेड, आई आस्क्ड हिम दिस क्वेश्चन कि श्रील प्रभुपाद, नाउ दैट आई एम एन इनिशिएटेड, शुड आई गो एंड स्टे इन द टेंपल. तो उसने बोला नहीं, नो नीड. जो तुमको चेंज करना है वो यहाँ है, कॉन्शियसनेस. यू अंडरस्टैंड द मीनिंग ऑफ कृष्णा कॉन्शियसनेस और नॉट? आस्क मी लाइक दिस. यस प्रभुपाद. तो वो प्रैक्टिस करो ना. कहीं भी तुम हो, तुम कर सकते हो. घर में भी तो तुम कृष्णा कॉन्शियस हो सकती हो. ऐसा क्या चीज है जो तुम यदि टेंपल में जाओगी तो तुम्हारा पेरेंट्स नाराज हो जाएगा? ये भी तो अच्छा नहीं है ना. तुम तो अभी शागिर्द हो, स्कूल में जाती हो, तो क्या होगा? So I obeyed him because I haven't finished the high school exam. I was going to fail, I knew. लेकिन श्रील प्रभुपाद ने ऐसा बोला, you do your duty, you are a student now, you do your duty, change your consciousness. तुम सेवा कर सकती हो जो हो सकता है. Don't force yourself, सेवा करो. So the fight between father and mother of Prabhupada, finally Prabhupada of course followed the father, because father said, I don't want your money. If you become a lawyer, हमको तुम्हारा पैसा नहीं चाहिए. So the father, what he did was, slowly he taught Prabhupada to build Rath Yatra together. So these activities are nice and important between father and son. कुछ ना कुछ एक्टिविटी साथ में करना है, सेवा साथ में करना है. इन दिस वे द सन विल फील कि मेरा पापा भी कर रहा है, चलो मैं भी करता हूँ. दिस वे. So it will be like a challenge. Though they will be competing, it's okay. Father sometimes should show कि I'm failing, you are better than me. ऐसा होता है, persuasion होता है ना इसी तरह से. So this was important. And now please someone will read Bhagavad Gita 3:21. हाँ सब सारा and translation of sloka only. So in Sanskrit and in translation, that's all.
Yad yad acharati shreshthas tat tad evetaro jana sayat pramanam kurute lokastad anuvartate. Whatever action a great man performs, common men follow, and whatever standards he sets by exemplary acts, all the world pursues.
So this is why role model is important. क्योंकि Krishna भी said also like that if there is a public figure, a great person, a great leader, a hero, when he does, children tend to follow. So the son's role model should be father, daughter's role model should be mother. तो मदर की और फादर की ड्यूटीज भी है सेपरेटली, क्योंकि जो ड्यूटीज और एक्टिविटीज सन के साथ कर सकते हैं वो डॉटर के साथ नहीं कर सकते हैं कभी कभी. जैसे स्टिचिंग, कुकिंग, ये सन यूजुअली दे आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड. वो बोलते हैं कि हम लड़की थोड़ा ही है, हमको क्या कराते हैं. लेकिन नाउ इट इज देयर आर ग्रेट शेफ्स who are doing a job. पुजारीज भी है जो
मेरा बेटा खुद मेरे साथ किचन में काम करवाता है.
हाँ, तो this is all right now in Sheva also. Lot of the men are cooking. क्योंकि वो जब बल्क में कुक करते हैं तो लड़की की कहाँ ताकत है. My own brother used to be doing Sheva in Sikh temple. He used to make this dal and khirni and stand there for hours and hours, sweat it out and do seva. But plate dona ka ladies used to sit and do, and chapati baking ladies used to. इतना बड़ा तवा था तो ladies used to sit all in the circle and do. Few used to roll and do. So this has been going on actually since ages. अभी क्या हुआ है? What is happening? We are degrading and we should be sad about it. Not say we are civilized, अभी modern हो गया तो क्यों करूं ऐसे? Modern is not just in features, clothing, fashion. नहीं. It should be in your actions, activity. ये तो you should remain following simple living, high thinking. No need to change handphone of the child every time, every year new model comes, and so what? Tell them what is the function of the handphone actually. Make them understand. Don't be angry at them. तो एक और एग्जाम्पल देती हूँ जो श्रील प्रभुपाद की लीलामृता से हुआ. He is saying the temple area itself, open like a pavilion, was a raised platform with a stone roof supported by stout pillars 15 feet tall. At the left end of the temple pavilion stood a crowd of worshippers viewing the deities on the altar. The servant pushed the carriage closer, lifted the two boys out, and then, holding their hands, escorted them reverentially before the deities. Srila Prabhupada says, I can remember standing at the doorway of Radha Govinda temple saying prayers to Radha Govinda Murti. I would watch for hours together. The deity was so beautiful with his slanted eyes. This was the Rathi Yatra that they built together, and Srila Prabhupada was escorted, to watch the deities. So he would stand there hours and hours to be blessed by the deities. This was another thing. Since small, Prabhupada's toy was Rathi Yatra, small Rathi Yatra, and he used to dress the deities even when he was small. So these activities, although you have proper deities, you should buy for your children if they are young. उसको बताओ कैसे करना है, कैसे फूड ऑफर करना है, क्या प्रेयर्स है. होपफुली नाउ इफ योर चिल्ड्रन आर ऑलरेडी टीनेजर्स दे शुड नो what prayers to say. I am sure they already know. So let them do the duty before going to school with their own small deities. Or if they can take over your duty, you should be the audience behind them. Watch how they do properly or not, guide them. So your accompaniment with your children is important. Don't leave them alone, क्योंकि they will be diverted. When you leave their side, their mind will not be there, their service will not be there, their love for Krishna will not be there, I am sure. इसका बच्चों का माइंड बहुत ज़्यादा चंचल है हमारे के हिसाब से. We can still focus. We are mature ना, वो अभी mature नहीं हुआ है. और influence friends का 5 minute there is a call.
During childhood, they used to follow their worship deity, they do everything. But when they comes in teenage, they slowly degrading from the path. So how to cultivate in teenage actually?
वो ऐसा है, influence friends का ही होता है, which is wrong. तो बैठना साथ में और बोलना कि like she says from childhood she used to influence them and tell them कि ज़्यादा लोग अभी negative ज़्यादा है positive से, so you should watch out.
Yeah, but she has friends in society, so she met her, and when I am stopping her, so she has मेरे को friends ही नहीं बनने दोगे. So that.
Explain to her why. Nicely you explain to her. I am not saying you should influence them to come to Krishna consciousness. आनंद गौरांगा दासा जो लेक्चर देता है ना, वो भी उसने ऐसा बोला कि now my daughter is the influencer. She also said like that. Change them, slowly change them. The more devotees, the more philosophy you spread, the more mercy she will get from Krishna. From everything, from any danger. Ask her one question. Will your friends come and help you?
I told her that Krishna is your best friend. So because all friends, they may not help you when you are in need them, but still she is in that age. No, I want friend. I want. Maybe she wants to meet.
Yeah. एक ये बात, if she doesn't want to listen also, try to explain to her about time waste. वैसे there is a clear explanation how long a person can live. Nowadays in Kaljug 60-70 का ही होता है. We don't live until 100. तो उसका तो आधा टाइम स्लीप में जाता है. बाकी जो मतलब when we were small we played a lot already. तो बाकी कितना टाइम है we are going to do service to Krishna. So this realization of time waste, nonsense talk, ये हाँ ही करना में कुछ नहीं मिलता हमको, कुछ नहीं मिलता. You can tell her about yourself also, about your failure, about your own friends' influence. अभी क्या हुआ, किधर है, ये सब कहाँ गया है.
कुछ बहुत अच्छी बात बोली, बिकॉज मैं अपनी डॉटर को यही बात बोलती हूँ कि हमने भी अपने यंग एज में बहुत टाइम वेस्ट किया है.
जी.
जो पोटेंशियल था उसका शायद हम 70-80% ही कर पाए। तो उसको मैं यही बात बोलती हूँ कि इफ़ यू वांट टू यूटिलाइज योर 100%, सो लुक एट मी, बिकॉज जो मेरा पोटेंशियल था वो मैंने यूज़ नहीं किया उस टाइम पे। आई ऑल्सो गॉट डिस्ट्रैक्ट बट नॉट दैट मच, बट हुई। तो आप मत हो उस चीज़ से, क्योंकि वो ही कॉन्स्टेंट एक्चुअली आपको अपने बच्चे से लगातार ऑन रेगुलर बेसिस, इनफैक्ट आई वुड से डेली, यू हैव टू स्पीक टू द चाइल्ड। मतलब अभी जैसे
Daily, yes, yes,
Madhurji, subah sham, I talk to her in the morning and in the evening.
yes,
I talk 2 times. I
Yes.
message him what he's doing, where he
yes.
is. 2 बार तो चाहिए चाहिए, तभी बच्चा उससे वो रहता है। Then एक दिन अगर मैं नहीं करूँ तो वो बोलेगा रात को, मम्मा where are you? I missed you today. आप कहाँ थे?
जी।
किसी प्रोग्राम में थे।
जी, इट इज, जो लोग बोलते हैं ना कि हरे कृष्णा वाले लोग ब्रेन वॉश करता है, सही बात है। एक डिवोटी ने ऐसा बोला कि क्या हुआ, हाँ हम ब्रेन वॉश करते हैं इस्कॉन में। क्या ब्रेन वॉश करते हैं, क्यों करते हैं, इज बिकॉज we wash their brain from all the negative thoughts, all the material perception, all the concocted ideas, all the speculation, all the bad influence. We wash their brain from that. Yes, we do wash the brain. वो ऐसे बोलते हैं, खुल्लम से बोलते हैं कि yes, ISKCON leaders are washing the brain. क्योंकि हम चाहते हैं कि तुम सब लोग कृष्णा के पास आओ। Krishna is waiting to love you, waiting to embrace you, waiting to take you back to Goloka Vrindavan. तो तुम क्यों टाइम वेस्ट करते हैं? Do you want to become like me, a failure? क्योंकि हमने तो आधा लाइफ वेस्ट ही किया। अब तुम जवान हो, छोटी हो, फ्रेश हो, जैसे प्लेन पेपर में कुछ भी लिख जाओ तो उधर लिख जाता है, बन जाता है।
नहीं समझते हैं, बट माता जी
नहीं, you still keep trying.
they will learn
Don't give up.
experiences.
Don't give up. It depends on you also. You become weak, they will be more happy. Again and again repeat. सुनते हैं कि नहीं सुनते हैं, उसके आँख पे आँख देखो और बता दो. Get their concentration. Make them realize. ये एक और एग्जाम्पल था कि जब द फादर वांटेड टू एक्सप्लेन समथिंग, वो वापस आता था ना दुकान से, तो जब वो एक्सप्लेन करना था प्रभुपाद को, तो वो माफ़ी मांगता था। पहले उसको काम डाउन करता था कि देखो बेटा, आई एम गोइंग टू से समथिंग, एक्सप्लेन टू यू समथिंग, व्हाई, प्लीज डोंट बी एंग्री, आई एम योर फादर, इट इज माई ड्यूटी, I don't do that, I'll be wrong. You see? So, there is one example actually better than this. He did something wrong. I will try to find that example. He did something wrong and the mother said, मैं तुम्हारे लिए कचौरी और ये नहीं बनाऊंगा, तुम जाओ सो जाओ. She was angry at him and she wanted to give punishment to him. तो उसका favorite तो कचौरी था ना. So she didn't make for him. Go to sleep. So when the father came, अभय कहाँ है? तो the mother said, he's sleeping, he did this. I will read it first and tell you later what mistake he did. तो father said, no. You don't want to make? He went to the kitchen, he made, he woke up Abhay, gave him the food. There is Montessori's modern theory. Montessori is dead now. She was a lady. Montessori's theory in educating children is neither reward nor punish. You don't give sweets to the child after he does something good. यदि वो सेवा करता है तो रियलाइजेशन से के साथ करना है, वैसे नहीं कि वो देखता है कि ये रिवॉर्ड हमको मिलेगा यदि मैं सेवा करूंगा. दिस इज नॉट राइट. हाँ.
this tendency, they definitely develop the greed in them.
He is not doing real seva. He is doing for the reward. Neither when he is wrong you punish him so hard कि वो तंग आ जाए कि कुछ थोड़ा सा हमने गलत किया हमको इतना पनिशमेंट मिला तो मैं क्यों करूं. So both these are wrong. Don't reward with candy, sweets, these things, no. Money, new handphone, no. You graduate, you score well, no new handphone, no reward, no nothing. You do more seva, you buy some fruits or something for offering to Krishna. Tell Krishna, thank you that I scored very well. Make that habit of gratitude directly towards Krishna. तो ये अच्छी चीज है एंड प्लीज ट्राई टू अवॉइड दिस रिवॉर्डिंग एंड पनिशमेंट टोटली आउट ऑफ योर चाइल्ड, क्योंकि वो इसका एक्सपेक्टेशन नहीं रहेगा कि मैं अच्छा स्कोर करूंगा तो हमको ये मिलेगा. ये होना नहीं चाहिए. यू आर डूइंग अच्छा स्कोर, इट्स फॉर योर सेल्फ, फॉर योर ओन डेवलपमेंट, फॉर योर ओन एजुकेशन, फॉर योर ओन नॉलेज. इट्स नॉट फॉर एनीबडी एल्स. और उसको सिखाओ कि वी ऑल आर इंडिविजुअल souls. सब में आत्मा दिखाई चाहिए. Don't hurt the animals. These things, good things, should be taught from beginning only. We are not eating meat. Why? Explain करो. They should understand, not follow blindly. Prabhupada was very much against follow blindly. No. Realization, explanation, knowledge. भागवत गीता साथ में पढ़ो. रात को एक माला जापा करो रात को साथ में. दिस इज लाइक अ फैमिली गैदरिंग, क्लोजनेस टुवर्ड्स ईच अदर. समझना कि व्हाई माय फैमिली इज सिटिंग अराउंड, व्हाई माय फैमिली इज चैंटिंग, व्हाई दे आर रीडिंग वन श्लोका ऑफ भागवत गीता. You try to explain, and if they want to memorize the sloka, that is much better. If they memorize, they know, they have the education, they have the knowledge, they can become the influencer towards the friend, not listen to the friend. Ananda Gauranga saying in one lecture, I remember, he said, पहले हमारे बेटी के साथ कोई नहीं खेलता क्योंकि they were saying कि she is weird, अरे ये तो हरे कृष्णा की हो गई, we don't like her, she is old fashioned, ये कपड़े भी कैसे पहनते हैं, you know, she comes to school with so सीधी सादी. लड़की से कौन खेलता है. She let them be. But slowly she became the influencer. She brought the other friends towards Krishna understanding, Krishna consciousness. They do activity for Krishna consciousness together. When I was young, when I started, they made me children's president. So I became, you know, so much guilty for not doing anything towards the children. So I asked the devotees, what should I do? There are no activities in the club, in the children's club. क्या करना है, उसको कैसे engage करना है. So they said, teach them how to make mala bead, chapa bead. They gave me so many threads, so many beads. बैठो सब और एक एक माला बनाओ. कौन जल्दी में बनाता है, कौन perfection में बनाता है. That was what I did. And then slowly we started drama activities, reading Krishna book, understanding who wants to become Krishna, who wants to become Radha, or who wants to become the hunter, who wants to become the animal being half killed. ऐसे ही होता था. It was exciting for the children, or you know, they became inspired. And then when they read and did the drama, they understand more the philosophy behind the drama. So these are things which you can do. If you have mother's club like gathering and togetherness, you can do these things. You see, so there is actually no end to activities. Ask some expert devotees, you know, for children what is good to do. Teaching classes should start for the young age, teenagers. Kyunki let me tell you, my mother, though she was not 100% devotee, at the age of 11, I had to learn typing, 10 fingers, fast typing. Until now I am the fastest typist. So that at 11 age. Saturday, Sunday we never go to school. She said go and learn stitching. After I finished teaching, I just didn't do the certificate क्योंकि बहुत महंगी थी उस वक्त. तो आफ्टर स्टिचिंग गो एंड लर्न एम्ब्रॉयडरी. अरे ये क्या है, हमको ये सीखना है वो सीखना है, हमको कोई मतलब दर्जी थोड़ी बनना है. हमने बोला तो उसने बोला नहीं, दर्जी बनने के लिए नहीं. What will happen if you cannot stitch even one button? You are not sure कि तुम्हारा जो पति होगा वो शाहूकार होगा और तुमको सिलाई वाले के पास जाने के लिए पैसा देगा. You don't know what is in future. My mother struggled during World War II. She got separated from my father. What happened? Her in-laws were very cruel. अरे हमने तो खा लिया, खाना बना दिया, अभी स्टोव बंद है, तुम्हारे लिए कुछ नहीं है. They told my mother. My mother had one son at that time. क्या करे? My brother was so nice. She used to give him cents, I think, in those days. World War II time, few cents for school. All she had was, she never used to eat. She gave to him for, what do you call that? Bugra? The chole which were baked. Chana. She used to give him. He was so nice. He never used to buy those chana. He used to go hungry also, bring back, put in that piggy bank. He stored the money there. You see, this type of children are very rare now. वो आते थे, पानी पीता था ज़्यादा, तो मेरी माँ ने पूछती थी इतना पानी क्यों पी रहा है, तुमने खाया छोले? हाँ खाया. But he put it in the piggy bank. So what happened? My brother's teacher saw this. कि क्या हो रहा है? Mother and son having no food, staying with the in-laws who are so cruel. Close the stove, totally close. Every day they used to do that. Turn over the pot, no food for you. They used to tell her, your husband is not here, not giving us money, why we should feed you? This type of in-laws were in those days. Then she approached the teacher also approached her, ki, what talent you have. He didn't say what grade you have graduated, are you educated or not, do you have a certificate or no. What talent you have. These are talents: stitching, tailoring, embroidery, typing. You can do any type of job outside and in the house. These are talents. I tell you, in Jakarta now, so many ladies from India, husbands तो are in jobs. Lady क्या करती है? वो केटरिंग खोलती है. हमारी स्पेशलिटी है दाबेली बनाना, तो वो दाबेली मना सेल करती है. हमारी स्पेशलिटी है कोकी बनाना, लोली, वो लोली बेचती है. They are never idle. कोई दही बड़ा बेचती है, कोई खाली कर्ड बेचती है. क्योंकि जो दूसरी लेडीज है ना, वो इतनी बिजी है कि कर्ड भी नहीं बनाती है घर में, दही भी नहीं बनाती है. तो दिस लेडी हु मेक्स कर्ड, शी स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम ओनली 25 milli. 25 milli for cheap ones who want daily fresh little. 50, 100 milli. So this is a talent. वो बोलती है ये फ्रेश है, नो मिक्सचर, नो पाउडर मिल्क, ये वगैरह. वो प्रमोट तो करना चाहिए ना, अदरवाइज पीपल वोंट बिलीव. Or her curd, if you keep in the fridge even for 1 month, it doesn't go bad, it doesn't go sour. Talent है ना ये, हर लोग थोड़े कर सकते हैं.
नहीं, ये मैंने भी देखा है माता जी कि हम जब चाइल्डहुड में थे, think जब इसकी एज में जो हमारी मदर्स ने भी कहा था स्टिचिंग सीख लो, बट दैट टाइम वी रिफ्यूज, नहीं हमें नहीं करना, हमें पढ़ना है.
मैंने सीखा
बट
था.
आज मुझे लगता है कि वो टैलेंट अगर होता तो डेफिनेटली वी कैन स्टार्ट समथिंग फ्रॉम आवर होम.
हमको मालूम नहीं क्या होना चाहिए. आई मीन देयर कैन बी वॉर, लाइक सडनली इन यूक्रेन देयर वाज वॉर. हु कैन प्रेडिक्ट दिस? कब लड़ाई होगी, कब वॉर होगा, कब फैमिन होगा. फैमिन तो भगवान के हाथ है. लाइक डिसास्टर, वी डोंट नो, वी डोंट नो. तो इसीलिए दिस टैलेंट द चिल्ड्रन शुड बी एनकरेज. Talent outside the academy education is very important, and you will not waste time. Even as a child, as non-Krishna conscious also, you will waste your time and life. क्योंकि कब काम आ जाता है, you never know. So please teach the importance of time to your child. क्योंकि दिस वेस्टिंग ऑफ टाइम विथ फ्रेंड्स, हा ही, ये कुछ नहीं होगा. इससे कुछ नहीं बनना है. तुम्हारी ओन कैरेक्टर्स विल बी स्पॉइल्ड. यू विल बिकम लाइक देम ओनली, वेस्टिंग टाइम. टू बी डिफरेंट इज नॉट अ शेम, इज नॉट अ शेम. प्रभु गौरंगा भी बोलता था कि पहले उसकी बेटी रोती थी, आती थी और बोलती थी कोई हमारे साथ नहीं खेलता. आई एम सो अलोन, आई एम सो सेपरेट, आई एम दिस, आई एम दैट. बट बिकॉज शी यूज टू फॉलो द फिलोसफी, अटेंड द क्लास, शी बिकेम द इन्फ्लुएंसर slowly. So I will read another excerpt from Srila Prabhupada's Lilamrita. Enjoying each other's company, father and son used to walk as far as 10 miles, saving the 5 paisa tram fare. So this education of being economic, saving the paisa, valuing the money is also important to educate the children. Don't waste money. क्योंकि father is working so hard, to raise you up. तुमको कॉलेज भी तो जाना है ना, इतना पैसा लगता है एजुकेशन में. If you love your parents, you should help them. Not waste their money just like that. अरे हमको आज ये चाहिए, कल ये चाहिए, I need that. Or you will be angry towards your mother and father. Shut the door of the room and never talk to your parents. This is not right. This is not right. Some children are so bad that they curse the parents, why you gave me birth. ये अच्छा है क्या? उसको सिखाना है कि कर्मा brings the family together. I will give you one very real example. My elder daughter once asked, she lives with her mother-in-law who was very sick. So she said, Mama, I understand due to karma we suffer. That is okay. She is old, she is suffering. Together with her we have to suffer. But why our children? Why our children? I just smiled. I said, what a funny question. She said, why funny, Mama? I am asking you seriously. These innocent children, what fault they have done? I said, do you know what in their life they were before? No, I don't know. But whatever they were, why they have to suffer now? Why they are in the middle of this family where there is an old lady who is lying in the bed, shouting this, that. This is the real story I am telling you. So I just said, sit down, I will explain to you. Each and everybody, not only your family, A, B, C, D family, there are 5 members, 6 members, 4 members, 3 members. This has been put together according to the calculation of karma. Your children have done some karma in the past. They are with you. You are with this mother-in-law. Your husband is the son of this mother. everything is calculated. Nobody knows. मेरी मम्मी कहती थी कि don't try to go deep into why God do this or did this. Nobody knows. Even Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva in their form, they cannot know. Radharani also cannot know. The most beloved of Krishna, she doesn't know why Krishna does this or that. She is the most closest. People say Radha and Krishna, there is no difference. There is no difference, but there is a difference. You know, my two other friends in Jakarta, they fight with me. They say there is totally no difference. I say there is difference. Let me ask you one question. Who built this whole universe and galaxy? Can Radha build? Krishna came in a separate body as Radha, but as a pleasure potency. He didn't give her the power to create the universe. There is a difference. But they always say no, Radha comes first, Radha is more powerful, this, that. Without Radha you cannot get the love of Krishna. So I just shake my hands and I said, I don't want to argue more. You should understand the philosophy.
Krishna has 64 qualities and Radharani has 26.
26 you said, less than half. So these two ladies might not have read about Radha's qualities. But that simple question, they couldn't answer. They couldn't answer. She doesn't have power. Even she was being very jealous. She cried when Krishna disappeared from her. So, as far as the children are concerned, don't force them. You see, love Krishna doesn't want by force. जैसा मुसलमान करते हैं, क्रिश्चियन करते हैं पैसा देके कि you convert to Christianity, this shouldn't be done towards our children. There should be natural love for Krishna, don't force them. Time आएगा तो वो हो जाएगा. And be patient, super patient. Like I said, don't punish them, don't reward them. They will understand. They will understand. And when they are in need, they will themselves tell them, you pray sincerely, you will get what you want. And when it happens, it happens. Krishna will make it happen.
So they are very smart, when they have exams, no, definitely they will take Krishna's name that time.
अच्छा ही है ना?
हाँ,
कुछ तो, something is better than nothing ना? Before exam you should always pray to Krishna. Why? He is the smartest. Tell Krishna, you are the smartest, how can you make me not smart, you know? Challenge him, it's okay. You should speak privately to Krishna. You should be able to converse with Krishna. Sit with Krishna as your friend. Teach them how to do that. Okay, so, no, we should not make them. He is saying, you know, when Gaur Mohan came home and asked, where is Abhay? This I am telling you about the kachori thing. Rajani explained how he had been too demanding and she had sent him to bed without kachoris. No, we should make them for him, his father replied. And he woke Abhay and personally cooked puris and kachoris for him. When Gaur Mohan returned home at night, it was his practice to take a little puffed rice, and Abhay would also sometimes sit with his father eating puffed rice. So this quality time between father and son is important, very important. If nowadays the son want to play baseball, want to play other sports, the father can join or at least watch him. When he joins a match, he is a champion, go for him, support him. It's very important. The child shouldn't feel ki, arey, my father didn't attend even my match. Disappointment is there, no? They lose respect also when you don't support them. Mind you that word, respect is gone, love is gone, slowly they will drift away from you more towards their friends. Because they are in fake thought our friends are more supportive than our parents.
Especially
If you,
boys case.
if you don't show that, they will keep on thinking like that. Same with the girls also. The girls will say, "Arey, my mummy is always busy in the kitchen. She's going to the ISKCON temple all the time. She doesn't have time for me."
This is also a
तो
problem.
माता जी उनके फ्रेंड्स हाँ में हाँ मिलाते रहते हैं,
हाँ।
पेरेंट्स हाँ में हाँ नहीं मिलाते
हाँ,
हैं, ये भी एक पॉइंट
Sometimes it's
नहीं,
called also.
you explain no why हाँ में हाँ हम नहीं मिलाते.
फ्रेंड्स तो हाँ में हाँ मिलाएंगे हर चीज में,
Like what?
whatever they want to do.
No, like show me an example ना.
कुछ भी मूवी करना है या टीवी देखना है, इंटरनेट पे कुछ देखना है,
Gossiping.
कुछ खाने पीने जाना है, इधर जाना उधर जाना.
Try and ask them. अच्छा आज क्या किया, कौन सा मूवी देखा, क्या मोरल सीखा. You have to ask them. Make them realize कि when they realize it was just an entertainment. There is one devotee who said, it's Swayam Bhagwan Keshava Swami. I listen to his lectures very much because he teaches to the modern people. Very nice lecture. So he asked the college students, what do you do in your idle time? Some say we go on a trip on a holiday, others say we go to a movie, still others said we go to the bar, enjoy with our friends, you know. Some say we watch the cricket game on the TV. Many answers. Same like drunkard. A drunkard will take a drink to forget his problems. After he gets sober, what happens? The troubles go away? No. सब वही रहता है, कुछ नहीं फर्क पड़ता है. You drink, नशा करता है, after that what happens? क्या होता है? Come back to zero. मूवी देखता है, मॉरल मिला? नहीं. रणवीर सिंह को देखा, दीपिका पादुकोण को देखा, नंगे देखा, क्या मिला? तुमको भी ऐसा बनना है क्या? नहीं ना. Your parents will go crazy if you do that. You know it's such a shameless thing to do. उसकी जिंदगी, if you read their story, their life story, let your children read, no problem. They will understand what is their life. What is Deepika's life?
Depression.
She takes all types of drugs. The biggest disaster is Kajol's daughter. She comes home drunk, falls on the ground after drinking. Half naked she comes at home. What is happening? Bolo, we love you, we don't want you to become like this. Why you go to see these movies? मॉडल रोल जो होता है अच्छे लोग का होता है, नॉट दिस एक्टर्स एंड एक्ट्रेसेस का मॉडल रोल क्या करेंगे?
They are not reality actually. They are just pretending that they are happy and they are all not in reality.
सब फेक है, फेक.
Everything is fake.
ऊपर से नीचे they have done so many surgeries just to look young. कितना पैसा I mean फजूल करता है. The way they work hard like donkeys. Prabhupada used to say, don't work like donkeys and waste your children. Don't. First duty of parents is to take care of children. Children's duty is to see that they do their duty as a student, as a child. You do movie, you do this, you do that. What do you get? Nothing. If you want to become Deepika Padukone, you want to become this, all these actors and actresses.
They have only really spoiled the people. आम जनता
वही
को
तो.
खराब किया है जी.
वही
They
तो.
are more responsible for this.
Actually nowadays theaters are more empty than full. जब से सुशांत सिंह राजपूत का क्या मौत हुआ ना, तो उस टाइम से ये एम्प्टी हो रहा है, सिवाय लोग नेटफ्लिक्स में देखते हैं. तो your children should be guided correctly, patiently, लॉट्स ऑफ रियलाइजेशन, लॉट्स ऑफ एक्सप्लेनेशन. जब उनके मन में कुछ सवाल आता है, यू शुड बी प्रिपेयर्ड टू गिव देम दैट आंसर दैट विल सेटिस्फाई देम.
तो माता जी, इज इट इम्पोर्टेंट कि दे हैव टेंडेंसी टू टोल्ड अस ईच अदर? समटाइम मैंने देखा है कि वो बताते भी नहीं है बच्चे ना,
क्योंकि आप क्लोज नहीं है,
मे बी
उसको फ्रेंड की तरह नहीं ट्रीट करते हैं. व्हेन दे वांट टू गो टू द फ्रेंड, व्हाई? बिकॉज द फ्रेंड फर्स्ट लिसन्स. सब लोग को एक्चुअली साइकाइट्रिस्ट की जरूरत होती है.
इवन अभी एक रिसेंट इंसिडेंट हुआ है मेरे साथ कि हमारी ये भी सेवा लगी हुई थी गौर पूर्णिमा वाले दिन. तो मेरी ड्यूटी थी बिल्कुल ब्रिटिश के सामने से कि क्राउड मैनेजमेंट की. तो मैंने अपने बेटे को बुलाया और मैंने बोला कि बेटा, मेरी ड्यूटी लगी है, मैं बाहर नहीं आ सकती और मेरे प्रभु जी के लिए, तो तुम ध्यान रखना क्योंकि दीदी भी बाहर है, तो शी इज ऑल्सो इन ड्यूटी दैट टाइम, तो तुम ध्यान रखना. उसने कहा ठीक है मम्मा. और मुझे पता नहीं क्यों एज ए मदर में मुझे कुछ लग रहा था कि कुछ वो कर रहा है बाहर. 9 ईयर्स ही 9. तो मैं बाहर जब गई तो मैंने देखा कि वो पूरा गीला होके बैठा हुआ है पूरा.
Why?
वो नहीं, होली नहीं कि कह रहा है मैं शावर, वहाँ पे एक फाउंटेन है टेम्पल क्या गोली, उसमें गिर गया मैं. और हम उससे ट्राई करें कि तू कैसे गिरा, पता नहीं, मैं भूल गया. अब और वो ब्रोंकाइटिस पेशेंट है, उसको डॉक्टर ने बोला है कि वो 1 मिनट भी गीला नहीं रह सकता
जी.
अब मैं अपने प्रभु जी को ढूंढ रही हूँ, वो मुझे मिल नहीं रहे इतने क्राउड में एंड ऑल. पर फिर हम लास्ट टाइम तक उससे पूछते रहे कि कैसे हुआ, बट वो तैयार ही नहीं हमें बताने के लिए. नहीं मैं गिर गया. अरे तुम्हें किसी ने धक्का मारा तो हमें बता दो, बट नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं. हम थक गए घर करके. हाँ, वो डरता है अपने पापा से. हाँ, पता नहीं क्या हुआ. तो मुझे ये जानना है कि ऐसे कंडीशंस में हम क्या करना चाहिए. मैंने उसके पापा को बोला कि आप ज़्यादा मत डांटो इसको. तो अब वो ये कहता है कि मेरे से बात मत करो उस इंसिडेंट के बारे में. तो हमें ये भी डर होता है कि डेफिनेटली वहाँ कुछ हुआ है तभी वो इतना हाइड कर रहा है इस चीज़ को. तो
You see the importance at that time, if I see the case, कि you had to save your child first. ये सब बाद में भी तो हो सकता है ना, उससे बात करना, पूछना. तो पहले उसको सेव करना है. He will feel then that she actually really loves and takes care of him, of me. That is why she is saving me first. ये सवाल जवाब ये वो पहले से ही करना तो उसके मन में डर जगा दिया.
हाँ, वो डरा हुआ है.
No, you shouldn't have asked him these questions.
Okay.
So that is the first action you should show that I care. The important point you should realize at that time, because he is a patient of bronchitis. So you should save him first.
हाँ, मतलब ये
Save him first. Don't call the father if you think he will be afraid of the father. Don't call the father. Don't even bother to tell him actually. If you can handle the case yourself, save your son first. Save him first. It's not.
में थे तो उसको घर ले आए.
Yeah, but it's not important all these things. When he calms down, he is sure कि my mother is protecting me, she loves me, then only no, he will open up. You see, children are mostly afraid to open up because they are afraid of your anger. That is why neither Prabhupada nor his father ever showed anger towards the children, because that will close the door. I am telling you, it will definitely permanently close the door of communication between you and child. My daughters are old now, very old already, but when they say something wrong, I don't get angry. This realization should be in you all. मैं आत्मा हूं, वो भी आत्मा है. हमको एंगर है, उसको भी एंगर है. हमको पिटी है, उसको भी है. हमको लव है. All these feelings same. In everybody it is the same. But he is now in a child's body. I am being his mother. तो हमका maturity ज़्यादा होना चाहिए उससे ना. If we become like children, angry, नो डिफरेंस बिटवीन यू एंड हिम. तो वो समझेगा कि आई कैन नॉट इवन टेल द ट्रूथ. और द अदर रूल यू शुड मेक, नेवर टेल अ लाई. ये भी इंपॉर्टेंट है. व्हाई? हाउ यू कैन डू दैट? व्हेन यू योरसेल्फ डोंट टेल लाइज आल्सो. When my daughter now, even though she is old, the younger one is almost 30 now. When she tells lie, I can see through and tell her, this is lie. She will say, Mama, how you know? I say, I know. You are my child, I am not your child. So बंद करो ये सब बंद करो. हमको मत बता दो. You don't want to tell ना? You don't tell, you keep it yourself. लेकिन ये अच्छा नहीं है. From one lie you have to tell 100 lies. That my mother used to say. One lie you have to cover up this one lie with 100 lies. फिर वो हैबिट हो जाता है. Little things, you know, they will tell you lie. They will go to their friend's house. They don't want to tell you. They will not tell you. जैसे स्टडी ग्रुप है ना, साइंस क्लास है, तो हमको जाना है.
लाइक एक लूप हो जाता है.
एंड डू नॉट इंटिमिडेट देम. इंटिमिडेट मीन्स कीप ऑन आस्किंग क्वेश्चंस लाइक विथ whom did you go, what did you do. This is not right when they are going, especially when.
बचपन में तो आई थिंक ये रिक्वायर्ड है, क्योंकि जैसे मैं, मेरी बेटी, जैसे हर बच्चे में ये सारे गुण होते हैं जेलसी के, झूठ, मतलब हम में भी हैं. हम अब बड़े हो गए तो हमें कॉन्शियस है कि नहीं, हमें ये गलत है. पर जैसे मेरी बेटी ने जब पहला झूठ बोला था, आई स्कोल्डेड हर बैडली. वो फर्स्ट टाइम था जब उसने झूठ बोला. उसके बाद जब उसने दोबारा झूठ बोला तो मैंने उसको फिर से पुराने वाला झूठ भी याद दिलाया कि ये एक लूप बना रहे हो आप बोलने का. उसके बाद, और वो बहुत अर्ली एज में था. आई थिंक व्हेन शी वाज 3.5 years old, फर्स्ट लाई उसने तब बोला था स्कूल में, जब स्कूल से वो वापस आई थी. तो उसको मैंने पकड़ लिया. फिर जब उसने दोबारा बोला तो 1 साल तक ना उसने ये किया. मतलब 1 साल में उसने शायद 3-4 बार झूठ बोला. बट उसके बाद उसने स्टॉप कर दिया उसको, क्योंकि एवरी टाइम आई यूज्ड टू कैच हर. मतलब मेरी आंखें उसके ऊपर ही थी, बिल्कुल गिद्ध की तरह, कि वो क्या कर रही है. तो वो ना एवरी टाइम, वो स्कूल के बस में भी होती थी ना, और वो आती थी तो मुझे उसकी शक्ल से पता लग जाता था कि गड़बड़ करके आई है. तो मैं आते ही उसको पूछती ना, व्हाट हैज़ यू डन टुडे. तो वो मुझे बताती थी आके. फिर मैं उसको स्कोल्ड भी करती थी कि, तो मुझे लगता है कि बचपन में शायद थोड़ी सी स्कोल्डिंग रिक्वायर्ड है. उसके बाद जब वो थोड़े बड़े होते हैं, समझ आती है कि दिस इज रॉन्ग, तो वो ऑटोमेटिकली स्टॉप कर देते हैं उस चीज को.
या दैट इज ओके. बट
सेम मेरी बेटी ने भी किया ये.
बट मोस्ट ऑफ यू नाउ हैव टीनेजर्स.
हाँ.
तो ये थ्योरी अभी तो
टीनेज में नहीं, जैसे अब बंद हो गया वो चीज.
हाँ, वो
अब हम उसको प्यार से समझाते हैं.
आप अच्छा किया. लेकिन ये दूसरा जो बच्चा है ना, उसने ये यंग एज में नहीं किया ना. It is already past. You cannot handle them the same way like you handled your young children. नहीं हो सकता.
हाँ, young age में
हमने बोला ना कि फाउंडेशन इज इम्पोर्टेंट. यदि यूथ में नहीं किया और बर्थ कंसीविंग में भी नहीं किया, लाइक प्रभुपाद सेज एक्चुअली बिफोर कंसीविंग अ चाइल्ड यू शुड डू सर्टेन रिचुअल्स. वो तो हम शायद कृष्णा कॉन्शियस में नहीं थे तो नहीं किया. तो चिल्ड्रन आर नेचुरली बोर्न डेमोनियक. खुल्लम बोला, यू डोंट डू दिस रिचुअल्स, यू विल गेट डेमोनियक चिल्ड्रन. लेकिन when you do with education, with guidance, with Krishna conscious, with patience, you will be able to mold them. बना सकते हैं अच्छा, कृष्णा कॉन्शियस चिल्ड्रन बना सकते हैं, लेकिन lots of efforts, patience, strong willingness, ये होना चाहिए पेरेंट्स में, which is also lack of time sometimes. Father comes home at 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock ऑफिस से, है ना. Otherwise boss, I will fire you. It happened to Ananda Gauranga Prabhu also. He was giving lecture for 3 or 4 times a week. Slowly he started calling his colleagues, getting the colleagues interested in Krishna conscious. तो सब कोलीग ने हरे कृष्णा बोल दिया ऑफिस में. दे केम टू नो कि अरे ये तो प्रीचर है, यू नो, कृष्णा कॉन्शियस का है, यू नो. So slowly he said, I cannot do anymore, office requires me more. तो cut down किया preaching. I'm sorry I am mentioning his name, please don't distribute this recording or whatever. I'm just giving you as an example कि people working permanently or for a long time in office also can get serious reaction, because when they become serious in preaching, तो बॉस थिंक्स कि वो ज़्यादा टाइम कृष्णा कॉन्शियस में देते हैं, हमारे ऑफिस का क्या होगा, काम कैसा होगा. आई एम टेलिंग यू, आई डिड दैट. I was in high school when I learned about Krishna conscious. Early in the morning I used to go to Bhagavatam class. Every day I used to reach late. The principal used to sit down from his office and he used to see, अरे ये तो लड़की अभी आई है स्कूल में. Bell rang, prayers they used to do, bowing down. One Russian girl was in my class. She asked me very intelligent question, which at that time I couldn't answer. She said, you guys say God is up. God ऊपर रहता है ना. When you pray, why you bow down? Intelligent question है ना. लेकिन they are communist. Russian people actually don't believe in God. It is Krishna's grace that lot of Russian girls have become devotees. But at that time when this Russian girl, she was Ukrainian I think, she asked me this question, I couldn't answer. कि हम respect के साथ इसलिए bow down करते हैं. We respect God. He is above, way far up. We can't even reach him. But we bow down because we respect him. ये आंसर भी नहीं दे सकती. Now at this age I still remember her question. Why? It is about Krishna consciousness. It is an important question that these young children of yours should be able to answer to their friends if they ask any such important question. You should be proud कि my mama, my papa is Krishna conscious and I can answer any question my friend is asking about God. You should be very proud. The price, you want to know? Not new gadget, new handphone from papa mama. Krishna's grace you will get. You will be a super person. वो price मिल जाएगा. Which price is priceless. Cannot compare with money, cannot compare with any calculation of money or anything like that. It is valueless, priceless. So if your children want this, then you should install this in your children. Let's go towards what important activities you should teach to your children. Now these are in 3 paragraphs. I will read slowly. Follow Mangala Aarti, Tulasi Aarti, offer obeisances, follow Lord Jagannath's chariot, chant and japa, wear tilaka, recite and memorize verses from scriptures. That is the first paragraph. Participate in the glorification of the holy names of the Lord, specifically the chanting of Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Develop a spirit of inquiry. Now, encourage your children, they want to know anything about Krishna, don't stop them. Don't stop them. If you do not know the right answer, tell them, please remind me this question, and in the meantime you should look and prepare. Don't just answer from your own mind. Please don't do that, because we have to follow the scriptures. So delay the answer, but you have to answer them. Develop awareness, understand and reflect upon the difference between living and non-living being. So you should ask them from where the living beings and non-living are coming. Actually they are coming from internal marginal and external energy of Krishna. What is the difference between living and non-living, and how you should treat them. Okay. Understand scientifically using logic and reason that God exists. Suppose some child will say to you, but we cannot see God, how do we know He exists? So Prabhupada said one question only. He said, when a child is small or when a child haven't seen all the animals, उसने कुछ नहीं देखा ना पशु पक्षी or what. So you ask them one question, elephant is hardly seen na by children. So you ask them, have you seen an elephant? So you will say no. How does he look? I don't know, they will say. लेकिन drawing में तो देखा है ना. Why people draw if he doesn't exist? Definitely that person who draw has seen. So elephant does exist, but you haven't seen. So same is with God. You cannot see God because of your own imperfection of the senses. You have to explain the imperfection of 5 senses. We cannot even see beyond the door. So our eyes are not perfect. They are not capable of seeing God yet. So it is not God doesn't exist. Still if they don't believe, ask them the questions, how sun rises on time, how it sets on time, how is our earth floating, with whose power, all these questions you know. How to make the child understand deeply, scientifically also you know. So don't stop there. Keep on trying to inflict this belief and faith. Okay, understand that there is only one Supreme God and that He is the source of everything. This is important. Because to let them know कि we are getting free. Air, from where does it come? Water, from where does it come? We are getting day, night, we have stars, we have the galaxy system. They are also learning in the school now, all these universal forms, the planets' names, how they are floating on time basis. Who is directing this? Even if they say no, that is just a supreme power, there is some power, all right, if their understanding is until there, then you can ask, I am your father, you are my child, you look the same like I look, my father looked the same, his father looked the same, everybody looked the same, so God also looks the same because He is the Supreme Father of all. That will make sense. Logically, you should make them believe with these questions, intelligent questions. Why? Because they are more critical than us. They will keep on asking us to defeat us. Children are like that. Their character is like that. Not because they are envious of us, not because they hate us, but they want to somehow, they are also being influenced by Maya. Don't forget that. Maya is everywhere in everyone's mind. So she will try to influence, Arey, mother is so honest, so truthful, she is so believing in Krishna, let me go through the child and influence her. So this is happening. You should be aware that Maya is everywhere. She can be in anybody's mind, she can influence anybody. She can even destroy and damage your faith. She is also powerful, no? She is power of Krishna also. So we cannot be defeated. Just make up your mind that you cannot be defeated by Maya. Understand that God realization has 3 main stages. You know, no? 3 main stages of God.
Brahman, Paramatma, and the absolute
Bhagwan.
Bhagwan.
So explain further. What is Brahman? Give the example of sun. The sun is there. What are the qualities of the sun? And heat. It creates night, day. It affects the time. So many qualities of the sun. But the sun and the qualities are 2 different things. Similarly, Brahman and Krishna are 2 different things. So Actually, Brahman is the rays that are coming out from Krishna's body, just like the sun has rays. That is Brahman. People who pray Krishna as Brahman, they go to Brahman. But what happens? What is the tendency or the quality of a human being? You are active. You want to do action. Like you want to go to movies, you want to play with your friends, you want to go and maybe do study club, go biking, enjoy with friends, tell stories, talk about boys. Huh? Huh? You do talk, no? Exchange, arey, this boy, new boy came to our school, so handsome. ये किस कलर का है? I'll tell you the truth, I became very sad when my own sister said कि तुम डेली जाती हो सत्संग में, इस उम्र में क्या करोगी सत्संग में जाने के लिए? हाँ, I know you are going because they are fair and handsome devotees. So from three of them, whom do you like? Arey? Sincerely, I am telling you that one understanding was there in me. I do not know. Krishna was so merciful. What I felt was, I am not even capable of becoming anybody to them. They are already on such a high path. I cannot destroy their path and disturb their concentration. That realization already came to me at that time. I felt very sad. The whole night I was crying because she was under the wrong perception that I am going because I am attracted physically. I was attracted to the philosophy. I was attracted because I saw how sincere they are. And how can, I was feeling embarrassed that these foreigners can do kirtan. They love Krishna. Krishna, I thought at that time, is only God for Indians. I didn't have that realization that Indian, American, this all, understanding is bodily. I never used to understand that. But yes, I felt very sad because my thoughts, my going there, my purpose was sincere and her thoughts were wrong. So I felt very sad. So much so that we fought on this topic. But I let it be after that. I let it be because I thought I am getting so much when I go there. If her thoughts are like this, let it be. I cannot force her to change or to think otherwise. But I did say to her, why don't you come and see what I do there that you feel like this? I'm doing nothing. I'm sitting, listening to them, joining in the kirtan, where two of my classmates are also coming. Those two classmates were of same thoughts like her. They used to like the devotees because they were fair, handsome and tall. But I never felt actually that way. Never. Never in my mind I had that thought that something can happen between me and one of the devotees. I used to just feel amazed at Hanuman Das, who was the preacher. He was a senior devotee, and I used to be amazed because he was so diligent. Before the lecturing, he used to sit 1 hour and make the scriptures, understand, read properly, explain to us so nicely. And I used to feel more guilty because others were thinking like this, that how can I disturb his faith, his sincerity and his path? Cannot. I will be more sinful. This way I was thinking. I do not know, it's Krishna's mercy. I was young at that time, but I never had those thoughts. Never. even when I was working in office, I never used to look at other colleagues with any negative thoughts, with any. I worked starting 17 years old. After the initiation, after high school, I immediately went to work in an office. This was another good education that I got, कि the climate of office was such. I worked with the Birlas, they were all vegetarian. They were the first for me to converse in Hindi with them. They used to say, you are Indian, अरे बात करो ना हिंदी में, इंग्लिश में क्यों बोलती है? क्यों? क्योंकि हम जब बुरा बोलेंगे ना आपके लिए तो तुम समझती नहीं, तो बेटर यू लर्न हिंदी. उसने ऐसा बोला. I said okay. You know, they used to have vegetarian food and all that. That saved me a lot. I was thinking, even now I am thinking it's Krishna's arrangement. He wanted me to come to that path. He made all the arrangements, and believe me, He will arrange for each and every one of you also. When He can maintain, give food to thousands of elephants who need tons and tons of food, why He can't arrange for us? ऐसा मत समझो कि नौकरी छोड़ देंगे तो हम मर जाएंगे. नहीं. I was idle for 2 years, thinking कि क्या करें. I have to maintain myself, na. Sitting idle is also not good. Suddenly ideas came, suddenly I started myself. It's growing and growing. From 20 clients, now I have 75 clients. How it becomes? I don't know. I really don't know. When my clients came to know I am Hare Krishna, they became more loyal to me. अरे हमको दूसरे से क्या लेना है? I want to buy from you. Why they say that? I don't know. I treat them just ordinarily. लेकिन ये होता है, miracle happens. 2 days I don't sell, I tell Krishna, what is happening? Who will buy my goods? What are you doing? I just tell him this. Immediately a call comes within 5 minutes. We want this. How this is happening? Small miracles do happen until today, until this second. I am here in India. They are calling me and ordering. Who is making this? I told them, I am coming in India. I am coming to India. Please don't disturb me for 1 month. 1 महीने के लिए हम तीरथ पे जा रहे हैं. Please call मत करो. Still they are calling. अरे can you arrange please for us? So it's not a joke. Never underestimate Krishna's power and mercy. जब तुमको डाउट होता है ना, तब कृष्णा बैकवर्ड्स होता है. He says, you don't trust me, you don't trust my power. Let me see how you will survive yourself. He challenges, don't think that ये ऐसा ही मान जाएगा, he forgive me. He is forgiving. But he loves us so much कि like a father teaches the son when son does something wrong, he also teaches us in that way. He is perfectly like a father only, like a parent only. So don't also think your parents have any bad thought towards you. They always want good, they are well-wishers of yours. Please be good and please have faith in Krishna, because that will save you a lot of time. You know, the earlier you practice, the better it is. You know why? Because at that time, death time, like exam, you are having exam tomorrow, you have to study today, you have to practice. Similarly, for death time, you have to practice from now. Japa you do, you practice. Death time is so painful. Srila Prabhupada says that from any opening in our body, We don't know at that time where every liquid, everything wants to come out from our body, and it will come out at the same time. It is so painful. Now we are conscious, we are happy, we are in awareness. We can do japa. At the painful time, can we do japa? But if you practice, just like in exam, you practice, you learn, you memorize, you know the answers, you will answer easily. So at that time, if you call Krishna, he will come. So be prepared. This was the objectives. Am I running out of time? Now the objectives were: look upon the devotees as role models of character and behavior. Understand that the pure devotees are very dear to the Lord. Recall the manifest, revealed times of the Lord. Recite with understanding and devotion verses from scriptures. Develop awareness and understanding of significance of spiritual festivals. Develop a taste for hearing the narration of the pastimes of the Lord and his devotees. Participate spontaneously and enthusiastically in devotional activities. Now, I want to ask the parents, when you notice the children, if they are already in the path of Krishna consciousness, what you should notice is not what they are doing, but how they are doing. What way they are doing. Are they doing it seriously, with love, with realization, or just to make you happy? If they make you happy only, that is not proper. Right? Because again, we are individuals. Our child is individual, we are individual. We love Krishna the way we do sincerely. Maybe they are not doing, they do not love Krishna yet. So try to make them with love, with realization, they should serve Krishna. Not just out of duty sake, not just to satisfy you. So this is very important for you to keep watching how much devotion they have. Are they doing it happily, sincerely? Are they dancing when other devotees are dancing? See how they dance, no? Mataji was telling me that during Rath Yatra, the devotees are dancing in summer. They are fully wet. From where they get the energy? It's so hot. It's so hot. They are so tolerant. They dance, they just forget everything. That is the real nasha, no? You don't have to take drugs, ganja, this, that to get nasha. That is the real nasha. Srila Prabhupada used to say, why these Yankees who were taking drugs are dancing like they are drugged only. They used to come to the park, dance with him for 2-3 hours. Why? They were attracted by Krishna. Besides, Krishna is so handsome, no? And more handsome, most handsome than all the boys in your class. For the love of Krishna, there are rasas. I don't know if you have heard or you have told your children. So you can take Krishna as your father, you can take him as a child also, the final rasa is take him as a lover or husband. So these 108 wives of his, when they were caught by the Maharaj, what did they pray? That Krishna become our husbands. And Krishna fulfill their wishes. So you can have any type of rasa you want. He is the most handsome and there is no loss in loving Krishna. No single loss. It's not with money, but you will get all happiness when you love him. So there is no comparison. Now discipline. How should you discipline? With care, not with uncontrolled anger. Avoid practice contradictory or unfavorable to bhakti. For example, offering sweets in return for performing an activity. I told you there should be no reward, no punishment. So don't offer new gadget, new handphone to your child if she comes to the temple and do service. This is very, very forbidden. Now comparing with other children. Teach your child not to compare with other children. She is getting bored. Children should understand natural consequences of their behavior. Now how to teach natural consequences for their behavior? This is what Mataji was telling ki when they tell lies, she used to get angry. That is all right, because her method was for younger children. Now if you have children like this teenager, they would respond with anger also if you get angry with them. So with care, love and understanding, you should explain to them, not be angry to them. Become their friend. How? Also in their activities you should join. Can I help you? What activity you have? Like I said, if they have to study, help them study for the test. You ask the question, you sit with them. They don't have to go anywhere to their friend's house to study together. I believe you all are educated. You must have at least passed 12th class. So you can help. Nowadays materials are available in the gadgets also. If that topic and that subject your child wants to learn, you go ahead and open and learn yourself. What is wrong in that? Nothing wrong. You don't be lazy and you don't say no, अभी तो हमारे दिमाग में ही नहीं होगा, हम नहीं कर सकेंगे, ये मैथमेटिक्स बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो गया. हाँ, डिफिकल्ट हो गया. So if there is, sorry,
Tuitions, I mean, there you go coaching. We can't study. We can't make you study. So then, send us to coaching.
नहीं, it's not supposed to be like that. कोचिंग में भी पैसा, कोचिंग में भी पैसा लगता है ना. As I told you, I never took any coaching, any tuitions. The trick is listen to the teacher and watch the teacher plus focus what the teacher is saying.
Take advantage of the resources.
You chase the teacher. You chase the teacher right there at that time. Ki I don't understand, miss or sir. Please explain it again. You have to chase the teacher because it's his duty. Please explain in the more direct, simple way that we can understand. In a different way, maybe you can give us example. I was myself a teacher and children used to chase me in that way. I never minded. I used to take class 5, first I was teaching in elementary, then I was teaching in junior high school. So when in 6th class I was teaching the maths, how I did was, you understand this topic, right? Any child can come forward and make another question different from the book. This way, one by one, students would think, calculate first in the paper, come on the board and make a question, a new question. I said, you know what? This talent is good. You know what you can do? When you grow up, if you are jobless, you make maths book for the children. He was very happy. Because he was happy, it made the other children jealous. Arey, he can do it, why we cannot do it? One by one, each child say, Miss, can I make a new question? Come to the board and make. 3rd, 4th, 5th, finally half of the class were making their own questions. You know what I gave them? A nice response. All the next test questions will come from your questions. Yay! They were so happy. I said, you all can do this question. They will do the question and also answer it. Then I will tell them, can you explain to your friends? I got a freedom, I used to just sit and watch. But they did it. This is how to inspire. Inspire
Kind of
the
technique
students.
School not using. The teachers not using this kind of techniques.
I know,
They are not trying.
you know,
They are just fulfill their duties only.
you know, because I used to use these techniques, the school didn't like me. The school didn't like me. They don't like good teachers. They don't. Then they inspire the parents, rich parents, they rip the parents. You take tuition ना, समझ आएगी तुम्हारा बच्चा ही ऐसा ही है, मिडिल क्लास है, मतलब उसका दिमाग ही नहीं चलता, वो फोकस ही नहीं करता. Why you, how dare you treat our children like this? Why you are saying our children are stupid? No, they are not. You see, first when I entered the class, I used to tell them, no children is dumb, no child is dumb. Yes, their speed is different. Your speed, her speed, this speed is never the same. Your speed of understanding may be 10, hers may be 9, yours may be 8. Slow होते हैं children understanding में, लेकिन stupid और dumb नहीं होते हैं. You know what they should do? Make a group.
Even
Work together.
I always notice कि जैसे एक मैथ का क्वेश्चन हुआ बोर्ड पे एंड बच्चों ने कहा आ गया समझ में, एक बच्चे ने कहा हाँ, दूसरे ने उसको देख के कहा हाँ कि मैं नहीं बोलूंगा तो मैम डांटे ना, मेरे बेटे ने भी कह दिया हाँ, पर टीचर ने ट्राई नहीं किया कि इनमें से कितनों ने ऐसे कह दिया,
वही तो
बस खत्म बुक्स, मतलब हो गया फिनिश.
Lazy है ना आजकल teacher. But when the son or any other child say हाँ, I can know from their face that he doesn't understand.
Even they
That
try
should
to read their face.
that should be the talent of the teacher to read the face. अगर वो अच्छी टीचर नहीं है या अच्छा टीचर नहीं है तो वो रीड नहीं कर सकता
I'm
ना.
noticing
That's
the
why.
online classes in the time of corona ना, कि मुझे पता है कि मेरे बच्चे को क्या समझ में आ रहा है कि अब बेटा सबको समझ में आ गया, उसने कहा हाँ, दूसरे ने कहा, सबने हाँ कह दिया, हो गया लेसन फिनिश. तब मैंने ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में नोटिस किया.
Even then the teacher online should say, जिसने हाँ कह दिया,
हाँ मतलब
make your own question. नहीं, make your own question and show me. How do you solve this question? ऐसा होना चाहिए ना. You should challenge them. You should encourage them. कि when you say yes, you should be responsible. Now show me that you understand.
and what you
Oh.
understand, हाँ.
होना चाहिए ना actually. Similarly in science studies, in English studies, you should say that. The teacher should do that. So you all parents can make a gathering, meet the teacher in the parents teachers meeting, request them nicely. Miss, this is the fact. One student says yes, the other follows out of fear. It is not necessary they understand. Please test them sometimes. Request कर सकते हैं एक बार, दो बार, तीन बार. They don't listen, report to the principal. But do it together. You know why? Because then the teacher might hate personally your only child. That is also the tendency of the teacher. हमने ये I can't talk now. Hello, I can't talk now. Please. So, teachers have this tendency. They will have that one particular child. They will mistreat that child. Be very careful. There were these misattitudes in the toilet of the boys and all that. I was the first one to notice. When I brought that to the school, they started finding faults with me. कि इस टीचर को कैसा मालूम होता है that these things are happening. They became afraid. अरे ये तो शाहूकार का बच्चा है. We will lose fees, we will lose money. if we fire this child, this fear is there, na? The school founders, the school owners are afraid. We better kick out this teacher only. She is a trouble. I really got kicked out. This thing happened in 2 schools. Time now is very dangerous, mind you. Very dangerous. Especially teaching teenagers and high school students. It's not a joke. You take them to picnic also together is very dangerous. Temptation.
Parenting also become challenging at this time.
Temptation होता है. Prabhupada said this opposite attraction is there. There is no doubt. In old age 13-14 की शादी होती थी. Why? Actually it wasn't wrong. I don't say it was wrong. Cannot control na temptation. Then wrong things happen. Wrong things happen. So this age is very, very sensitive, very, very dangerous. Please be very careful, especially with your girls. You know, girls को भी समझना होता है कि how far, you know, we can go. There is a limitation. There is a limitation. This body is private. Okay, your own. You have the right to stop anybody, even the person you like, if does something wrong, stop. Even if your parents are not there, who is there to see you? Be afraid of Krishna, that's alright. Don't be afraid of your parents. Be afraid of Krishna because he is everywhere. Even in this air, even in this room, even beside you he is sitting. So you don't know. That is the power of Krishna. Na? He watches you but he doesn't allow you to see him. He is tricky, he is very tricky. Right? So when the parents become rich, they become proud, he takes away all the richness. Now show me how rich you are. Okay, so going to the temple for programs, preparation starts from home. For example, bringing something for Krishna. Not just bring them to temple and then hand them over to someone else. This is also not right. You may do Seva, but then don't leave your children alone in the temple. What happens? If their friends are there, they will go and play with their friends also. Modeling behavior in the temple is important. For example, listening to class, praying, dancing nicely. The importance of connecting. Understand child better. Build trust. Relationship built with child is crucial and will continue. Open doors for communication when child is older. This is especially stated. When child is older, you should always communicate openly. Listen to them. Don't get angry. Don't have any, showing of faces and all this. This is not allowed. So listen to them carefully. If you cannot see your child eyes to eyes, look down and just listen to them carefully. So now you have to ask your child, what is Krishna consciousness? Ask them. If they explain nicely, you can understand that they understood what is Krishna consciousness. From the word itself, consciousness means you have to be conscious of Krishna, conscious of God, and know his qualities, what are his powers, what can he do, and how much he loves us, so we should love him back. It's about facts and knowledge. So you ask them if they remember any Leela of Krishna. Keep on reminding them. What did he do when he was a child? Encourage them to speak, to tell, to retell what they remember. When they go to class, ask them again, what did you learn today? It is about awareness of Krishna in all aspects of life, includes etiquette, mood and culture also. Watch their attitude, watch their mood. Are they short temper? Are they patient? Are they calm always, or are they always angry? Is there a consciousness or awareness of Krishna at home? What do you do at home?
If
Oh my
someone
God,
is they need to go to kitchen, please don't.
I see. Yeah, I'm almost finished. So the next one is Yomam Pashyati Sarvatra Sarvam Cha Mai Pashyati Tashyam Na Pranasyami Sacha Me Na Pranasyati. This is Bhagavad Gita 6:30. For one who sees me everywhere and sees everything in me, I am never lost, nor is he ever lost to me. So you have to understand some of the slokas, like inviting devotees to your home, respecting, offering obeisances, all this should be taught. And of course, of all the things for the girls, how we dress or talk when at home. No shorts, please. Girls should not wear shorts. And no shirts that don't close their back side. Should always wear kurti or longer blouses. This thing is also important. Culture and dependence upon the Lord. Cleanliness is also another attitude. Radha Mataji, she is also sleepy. Eating only prasadam. Okay, great responsibility towards the parents. Then the last verse is of course Manmana Bhava Bhakta. Yes. Always think of me, become my devotee, worship me and offer your homage unto me. Thus you will come to me without fail. I promise you this because you are my dear friend. Sorry, very sorry. I got carried away with the topic. I cannot give you a time anymore for questions and answers, but only few have to go or all of you have to go?
No, while taking prashadam, if anyone has.
Sure, I'm very sorry and you should have stopped me. I was asking is there time or not. Please close the recording.
Thank you, Mataji. Thank you so much for your valuable time. Mataji told us how we can raise our teenagers, kids in Krishna consciousness.